Question number 1. Which of the following bones forms the birth canal? Correct option is B. Pelvis bone. Question number 2. Which reflex indicates neurological integrity? Correct option is A. Moro reflex. Question number 3. Which newborn has highest risk of hypothermia? Correct option is C. Preterm baby. Question number 4. What hormone maintains pregnancy in the pus? Question number 24. When is fetal heart monitored during labor? Correct option is A. Continuously. Question number 25. Which intervention prevents postpartum infection? Correct option is A. Hygiene. Question number 26. When should infectious disease be reported? Correct option is D. Immediately. Question number 27. When can ambulation start post C-section? Correct option is C. 12 hours. Question number 28. Which mineral causes anemia if deficient? Correct option is A. Iron. Question number 29. How prevent infection in catheterized patient? Correct option is A. Aseptic techniques. Question number 30. Which post-operative complication is pulmonary? Correct option is C. Atelectasis. Question number 31. Which is common post-operative GI complication? Correct option is D. Constipation. Question number 32. Which symptom shows hypomagnesemia? Correct option is A. Acne. Question number 33. Which medication reverses opioid overdose? Correct option is A. Naloxone. Question number 34. How prevent hospitalized acquired infection? Correct option is D. Hand hygiene. Question number 35. Which electrolyte is low in diuretics overdose? Correct option is A. Potassium ion. Question number 36. What is the first action for hypoglycemia in children? Correct option is A. Glucose. Question number 37. Which sign indicates respiratory distress in infants? Correct option is D. Grounding. Question number 38. Which neurotransmitter imbalance is linked to depression? Correct option is A. Serotonin. Question number 39. Which intervention is priority in suicidal patient care? Correct option is the close observation. Question number 40. which is an example of secondary prevention? Correct option is A. Screening. Question number 41. Which population is at highest risk of communicable disease? Correct option is B. Children. Question number 42. Which action prevents spread of infection in the community? Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 43. Which artery is checked during adult CPR? Correct option is C. Carotid. Question number 44. Which symptom indicates airway obstruction in adult? Correct option is A. Stridor. Question number 45. Why is informed consent important before procedures? Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 46. Which electrolyte imbalance causes muscle cramps? Correct option is B. Hypokalemia. Question number 47. What type of syringe is used in immunization? Correct option is D. Autodisable. Question number 48. What is the main reason for vaccine hesitancy? Correct option is B. Misinformation. Question number 49. What is the ultimate indicator of vaccine success? Correct option is D. Zero disease. Question number 50. Which vaccine is contraindicated in pregnancy? Correct option is C. Lyo vaccines. Question number 50. Which vaccine mainly produced gut immunity? Correct option is D. Oral polio vaccine. Question number 51. Which vaccine protects against pneumonia? Correct option is D. PCV vaccine. Question number 52. Which vaccine is used in outbreak control? Correct option is B. Oral polio vaccine. Question number 53. Which vaccine is first discovered historically? Correct option is C. Smallpox. Question number 54. Which vaccine is given subcutaneously? Correct option is D. Measles. Question number 55. Which vaccine protects against liver cancer indirectly? Correct option is B. Hepatitis B vaccine. Question number 56. How long does passive immunity last? Correct option is C. Short duration. Question number 57. What happens if a child misses one vaccine dose? Correct option is C. Continue schedule. Question number 58. What is the commonest cause of vaccine failure? Correct option as D. Cold chain failure. Question number 59. What vaccine is used to prevent diphtheria? Correct option as C. DPT vaccine. Question number 60. What is the main antigen used in hepatitis B vaccine? Correct option as C. Surface antigen. Question number 61. Which antibody provide long-term protection? Correct option is A. IgG. Question number 62. Which maternal position prevents vena cava compression? Correct option is C. Left lateral. Question number 63. Which petal lie is normal for vaginal delivery? Correct option is D. Longitudinal. Question number 64. Which complication occurs due to preeclampsia? Correct option is A. Eclampsia. Question number 65. Which complication is common in multiple pregnancy? Correct option is D. Preterm birth. Question number 66. Which condition causes dehydration in children? Correct option is B. Diarrhea. Question number 67. Which disease causes chronic airway inflammations? Correct option is A. Asthma. Question number 68. Which disease causes bone weakness due to calcium loss? Correct option is the osteoporosis. Question number 69. What is the most common cause of urinary tract infection? Correct option is B. Bacteria. Question number 70. What term describes painful urination? Correct option is A. Dysuria. Question number 71. Which disease is prevented by DPT vaccine? Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 72. Which condition causes high blood pressure during pregnancy? Correct option is C. Preeclampsia. Question number 73. Which of the following disease affects the lungs primarily? Correct option is A. Pneumonia. Question number 74. Which position is best for a patient with dyspnea? Correct option is B. Fowler's position. Question number 75. Which condition causes chest pain due to heart ischemia? Correct option is D. Angina pectoris. Question number 76. What is the antidote for morphine overdose? Correct option is B. Naloxone. Question number 77. Which part of the brain controls balance? Correct option is C. Cerebellum. Question number 78. Which disease is characterized by airway obstruction? Correct option is A. Asthma. Question number 79. Which condition causes swelling of legs due to fluid accumulation? Correct option is A. Edema. Question number 80. Which nutrient is essential for growth in children? Correct option is C. Protein.
Question number 81. What is the normal body temperature in Celsius? Correct option is C. 37 degrees centigrade. Question number 82. Hand washing is most effective method to prevent. Correct option is B. Infection. Question number 83. Which pulse site is used during CPR in adults? Correct option is C. Carotid pulse. Question number 84. Which artery is used to measure pulse in infants? Correct option is B. Brachial artery. Question number 86. Which method is most effective for sterilization? Correct option is B. Autoclaving. Question number 87. Which nutrient provides the most energy per gram? Correct option is C. Fat. Question number 88. Which hormone stimulates uterine contraction during labor? Correct option is B. Oxytocin. Question number 89. Which disease is caused by deficiency of iodine? Correct option is A. Goiter. Question number 90. Which blood cells are responsible for immunity? Correct option is B. White blood cells. Question number 91. Which instrument is used to measure oxygen saturation? Correct option is B. Pulse oximeter. Question number 92. Which term describe difficult breathing while laying flat? Correct option is A. Arthropnea. Question number 92. Which position is best for unconscious patients? Correct option is D. Lateral position.
Question number 93. Which instrument is used to monitor fetal heart rate? Correct option is B. Petoscope. Question number 94. Which of the following disease causes Koplik spots? Correct option is C. Measles. Question number 95. Which term refers to deficiency of oxygen in tissues? Correct option is A. Hypoxia. Question number 96. Which test measures blood sugar level? Correct option is A. RBS test. Question number 97. Which disease causes thyroid gland swelling?
Correct option is B. Mumps. Question number 98. Which technique prevents infection during procedures? Correct option is A. Aseptic techniques. Question number 99. Which test is used to assess kidney function? Correct option is D. Serum creatinine. Question number 100. Which disease causes inflammation of joints? Correct option is A. Arthritis.